Tonight, the fight to keep the Great Northern Grain Elevator standing is hit another blow. Just a few hours ago, we learned that the state Supreme Court ruled on a preliminary injunction to stop the demolition. Good evening, I'm Mary Alice Demler.
And hello everyone, I'm Scott Levin. Let's get right to 2 on your side's Nate Benson with the late details of the ruling.
Scott and Mary Alice, another bump in the road for those preservationists trying to save the Great Northern Elevator you see behind me. Tim Thielman from the Campaign for Greater Buffalo telling me just a few hours ago that an appellate court judge denied the preliminary injunction to stop the demolition.
They took information from previous hearings at the lower courts and rendered a decision on us trying to stop the demolition pending an appeal. So unfortunately for us, and it's a grave disappointment, the 5-judge panel that included the judge whose decision we were essentially appealing, Judge Curran, decided not to give us a preliminary injunction that would have stopped the demo.
A panel of 5 judges from the 4th Appellate Division of the state Supreme Court said in their ruling that the Campaign for Greater Buffalo has yet to perfect its appeal before this court, despite the passage of 87 days since the notice of appeal was filed. The justices went on to say that on each occasion, the application had been procedurally defective. Now, Tim Thielman didn't say this was the final battle in the fight to save this building, but at the earliest, an appellate court wouldn't be able to hear this case until sometime in mid-February. And Tim Thielman tells me tonight that by then, there might not be much of this building left. Reporting on Ganson Street tonight for Channel 2 News, I'm Nate Benson.